Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday was they made a lower low. They haven't taken out the low from earlier this month, so this 3570 area needs to be dealt with sooner rather than later. You've got the producer price index coming up today at 8:30. You've got the consumer price index coming up tomorrow at 8:30. So those two numbers, especially tomorrow, are really going to drive the bus as far as what is this tape going to do into the rest of the month. We had a good day yesterday. I mean, there were a lot of handles to be had yesterday. This market is heavy. This market is weak. And these pops are getting pushed down, which is what you would expect. My expectation is still you've got this lower Bollinger Band and you've got resistance here at the middle band. My expectation is that at some point we go down and we deal with that lower band. Now, whether they bounce it after that is one thing. If they can't get it done and you convert the middle band there, the green line, without having touched the lower band, then on a Bollinger Band basis and on a price basis, you've made a higher low. That could lead to a little bit more of a pronounced bear market rally type of a situation. Nothing, certainly nothing in the all clear fashion or whatever. You never know which one is that until it's all over. That could be today, that could be 6 months, that could be who the hell knows. Don't start looking for those. You'll drive yourself crazy and you cost yourself a lot of money doing that. Just worry about the 10 handles in front of you. All I know this morning is we got some big econ coming up. We haven't taken out 3571. We haven't taken out the lower band. That's where we're at. If you look at it on an hourly chart, we're kind of consolidating. I kind of hesitantly wrote this up here, but it's true. I mean, you had a little false breakout, you had a little false breakdown, but if you take it all the way back for the entirety of the week, we opened the week 36.38.75. The high from the last hour, it's 36.32.5. I mean, we're here, we're just kind of here. And I think it's because we're waiting on these data points. Excuse me. We're waiting on these data points, and we'll see, where they lead us, if anywhere. So, the hourly chart, it's very contained. It's very contained. You've had some fits and starts on each day. Here, nope. Here, nope. Here, nope. Here, nope. And we're just kind of, they're kind of shelving it into this news, and that's fine. Which is why I wanted to get this out on the earlier side. So about 7:03 Eastern time. So 8:30, those numbers will be out. Please don't jump in front of PPI and especially in front of CPI and try to game those numbers. The last CPI report, I'm just guessing here. I'm estimating, but I think the first 2 minutes was like 120 handles. Please don't blow up your account because you're a fucking idiot. I mean, that's all I can say to you. We traded the second move off it and did like 40 or 50. And all we had to do was like calm down for like a minute and let price do something, okay? Instead of trying to guess what it was going to do beforehand. And I think before it took you down, it took you up about 20 or 30. So even if you were like, oh, well, we're going down. Yeah, okay, champ. Well, it just went up 30 in your face. My broker doesn't really like that. So, and neither does my blood pressure. So don't game PPI, don't game CPI. It's like the Fed on steroids right now. It's what the whole tape is about. 5 minute, not much to look at here. You can see there's that 35.79 from yesterday. They took it up into the 36.50s, but you had what was it, the IMF came out. I mean, that you want to talk about gloom and doom? Go read what the IMF said yesterday at 1 in the afternoon. I mean, there wasn't a beacon of anything in that. And so by the time that all got into the market, it took it down, pretty good. And we're just kind of walking our way back up here, consolidating back to where we were into the 8:30 number. So we'll see what happens at 8:30. Please respect risk. So you got volume weighted average price, hourly mid band sitting at 36.15, 36.16. Proprietary moving average is 21 and change. We opened the thing yesterday at 36.04.75, and the rounding is going to be important. You can see you've got support at 3,600 here. 36.50 has been a thing. I think we transverse the entirety of this, certainly tomorrow. CPI. PPI has been more muted, but we'll see what that brings. So we're just kind of shelved into a big number. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.